That has been always my commander.
Yeah. Wow. And what is your relationship with former President Zuma been like?
We're very close. We're very close with JZ. And when we met, we would call him Mfana Mzumba, the boy from Mzumba. I call him boy from Nkandla. That's a relation. Was a very social and even beyond, really beyond being the comrades. So we're quite social. We talk with the other staff and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. So I must say, when these things happened, I was hit hard.
The MK, the formation thing. Of MK Party.
Yeah,
I'm sure because you had quite a deep relationship. Yeah.
When there was this trouble, Caesar, when Zondo said must go